Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this Motorola Moto G52 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. Unfortunately, the Fortnite game is not present at the Play Store, so you gotta find some alternative ways to get it. So what you want to do is to open any search engine that you'd like. In my case I'll go with Google. Next, type in Fortnite, APK. At the search results, look for the official Epic Games website. At this page you want to tap on this black Get It on the Epic Games app button. Next we'll download the file, but once we try to open it, we'll be required to allow the Chrome to install apps from unknown sources, so we'll do just that by going into the settings and turning on this allow from this source switch. Next we'll go ahead and start the Epic Games Launcher installation process. After that we can go ahead and open it. Here at the Epic Games Launcher, just tap on this black Get button that is located right in front of the Fortnite game. Next, tap on the yellow Install button. So, the Fortnite game has been successfully downloaded, but in prior of actually installing it, we'll need to allow the Epic Games to install apps from unknown sources, the same way we did with the Google Chrome. So here just tap on the settings and turn on the switch once again. Next, click on Install. And from now on we can just go ahead and open up the Fortnite game, and in order for us to start, well, playing it, we'll need to wait until the Fortnite will install all required resources, updates, and etc. As you can see. So once the update will be downloaded, you will be able to go ahead and start playing the game itself. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.